Go, Keeshara. No, go. KB's 2018. Stay tuned. I've been out here for at least 4 hours. I've never got to play snow before. So freaking excited. Welcome to the Keeshara's YouTube channel. And I know I haven't been uploading. I'm just getting into this YouTube thing, so cut me some slack, people. Almost fell. But guys, look, it is snowing outside. And it never snows here. Like ever. It never snow here. But I never seen snow before. And I never got to come outside in it. And I am so happy. I'm sick, but I don't give a damn. I'm gonna still be out here. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look. For all the people that said it wasn't gonna snow because it never snowed down here, that's what you get. Whew. It's cold as heck out here. It's going through my shoes. Girl. They ain't ready for them. Shoot. Lord, it's cold out here. Hello, everyone.
Hello, young man. Wait, give me on the snap.
This is not Snapchat. This is my phone. Y'all ugly. Jalen ain't coming. Where Jalen? I just want to add in a little quick voice clip right here. Next, I'm going to show y'all the videos of the progression. Guys, I am so excited to say that it is snowing in Hinesville, Georgia. Like, we never get snow here. Last time we got snow maybe 23, 28 years ago. And I'm here to see this. This is my first time playing in snow. I went out there about 2 times. Been out there for about 3 hours each. I wasn't playing no games. I was just having fun. Huh?
You just gonna take Keeshara snow.
I know, right?
Yeah, form it like this.
Jordan, look. Jordan, look. Get her, Jordan, get her. Well, mine's kind of rigid, but Jordan! I missed it. Ah! Go, bruh! No! Bruh, you play too much. Whew. Get her, Jalen, get her! You got to fall and jump! This vlog is nearing an end. I know it's short, but check out these bomb ass photos I took. Yes, girl. Slaying. Thug life or no life. Get with it or get lost. Deuces. Ayy. Okay, to all my subscribers, I need y'all to go to my Wattpad. It's Keeshara143. Keeshara 143. Keeshara spelled the same way spelled in my YouTube name. Go read my book. Tell me how I'm doing. Go make comments. Go vote. Give me negative, positive criticism. What? That ain't make sense, but yeah. Go comment on it and stuff and tell me if I should continue. Thanks, guys. Guys, look, YouTube. It's melting. It's melting. I'm so sad. It'll be back next year. Toodles.